up? It's me, Franny, and today I'm here with Vanessa. Yay! We haven't been in a video together in so long. We actually haven't hung out in a while.
I know.
So we were like, yeah, let's film a cheeky little hard video.
The last time we said we were going to make a video searching for boys.
Oh my god, yes, we still need to do that. We need to look for a boyfriend. We gotta go look for them. None here. Okay guys, so today, as you can see, we are gonna be baking with no hands.
That means no hands and we're baking.
Okay, so first things first, we have to get the butter in there.
I'm putting my arms in my shirt because
Oh god, this is gonna
I'm gonna
so
use my
hard.
hands. Why did you put everything so far away, Franny? What's up? I'm gonna get like makeup on everything.
Yeah, we have to wait, hold on.
We didn't put your hair up?
Yeah, I should probably. Oh, okay, never mind, it's fine.
Yay! Oh! You need to put your hair up. You're going. Oh!
Oh my god!
Yay! Okay, I have an idea. What if we scoop the sugar into the spoon into the cup?
Okay, I'll give it open.
Okay.
You did it! How much more do we need? 1/4 of a cup! I should just put it on my feet and pour it in.
Okay, good luck.
Or you can just keep doing that. I can't do it.
Yeah, there we go. All right, go! Your feet look so weird. They look like frog feet, but like not. What is this thing doing? It's flipping me off.
I probably should have poured it into the bowl.
Come on. Great.
Okay, we're just gonna have to eyeball all of this, to be honest with you. What are you trying to get?
Get the baking powder. Okay, she got the baking powder. Oh.
No. Dude, there's no way.
Okay.
Perfect!
This is called talent.
How much baking? Okay, perfect!
Yay!
Okay.
Can't grab it. I'm not flexible enough. Okay. I got it. Ow. Yeah, it tastes like flour.
We're gonna have to do the freaking feet thing again.
For real? Oh my gosh. That is so
That was
funny.
like a look.
It's a look. High five. Ooh, if you do it between your knees like this. Oh, my leg's gripping!
Oh shoot, we have to take the milk out after.
Sock. Ooh, here we go. It's so heavy.
I'm gonna lift it up with my teeth and then you put your feet underneath it actually.
Franny, this is working. There we go. Do we need?
Egg.
Woo! Keep going. A little bit more. You're good. Our cake is gonna be so vanilla-y. Oh! Why is that so much easier for you? Oh. Yep. Oh. Did it crack? No. Okay. You're good, you're good. Oh my gosh. Oh It's got like stuff on with the put it. And then I come and support over here.
Oh.
No. Hey! Oh, I think we need. Well, we'll probably need a little bit more when we stir it.
I think we have this thing, no?
Yeah.
No. All right, guys. So we have all the ingredients in here. Let's see how it goes.
You use your nose.
Ah, it hurts!
Okay, maybe not. Your nose. You can use your tongue like this. No.
Ah! Tilt it, no!
What's tilting mean? There's like stuff on the sides that's not coming out.
Dude, it doesn't want to go! We need milk! Hold on! Turn it off! Oh, I think we need more milk.
Okay.
That's enough! Enough! Ah! Wow. Perfect.
It looks like cream.
It looks good, no?
And ooh. I feel like I'm petting an animal.
Alright guys, so we are going to be popping this into the oven for about 30 minutes, and when we get back, well, we're gonna clean this up. When we get back, we're gonna try and ice it.
We're gonna use our hands to put it in the oven though, because it's not safe to put it in with no hands. Update, so we had to use our hands to take it in and out of the oven. And then Franny was like, we should let it cool down. It's like, great idea. She puts it in the freezer and that's what happened.
Yeah, so, that's the cake that came out.
It's time to ice the cake, and I go one side and you go the other. It feels like tug of war.
Hold it, yeah. Well, okay, yeah.
I hold it down.
Hold it, yeah.
So it's okay if you kiss my forehead. Ooh, there we go. I got it. Like that. There. No!
So gentle.
I feel like the weirdest people would do like I stabbed it.
Gross.
Yep.
Nothing comes out. Dude, the sprinkles are too big for the hole that they gave.
Or we could just go like this.
There we go. Guys, I think that's it.
That hurt my mouth.
Okay, now it's just the taste test. Are you ready?
We need to cut it.
You can use your hands now.
Yeah.
You're good.
Okay, look. Oh, okay.
It's not bad.
Really? Bon appetit.
For a cake made with your without no hands.
Tastes like Freddy's feet. No, I'm just kidding.
So, let's see.
You gotta get some sprinkles. The thing is, I think we did pretty good on eyeing for the measure.
It's not that
Honestly.
bad. Alright guys, so this was our cake. Baking with no hands.
Baking with no hands.
Yeah.
Get something right here. Do I have stuff in my face?
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was quite a challenge. It was quite a freaking mess, let me tell you that. But yeah, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on how you thought we did. Please put those push notifications on so when I upload you'll know exactly when I do. Go check out the Merrell twins, or yeah, because you don't have your own channel, right?
No.
Go check out Vanessa's channel with her sister, with her twin sister. Please do not forget to subscribe. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.